This week at 6, we've been digging into what Minnesota is doing to keep athletes safe. We've uncovered a troubling shortage of athletic trainers. Aaron Hassanza digs into why and what it means.
I oversee all of the middle school and high school athletics at our 15 middle schools and 7 high schools.
Andrea Schmidt is the athletic director for St. Paul Public Schools, and her district is in a pickle.
It's not a surprise that we're in this spot. I've seen it coming. Other school districts have seen it coming.
At the end of last school year, the private orthopedic company that provided athletic training services to the schools let her know they couldn't continue.
They struggled to provide the number of trainers that we needed at our schools.
And it's not as simple as just finding someone else.
The feedback that we're receiving is all the same, is that there's such an athletic trainer shortage right now that as much as they'd like to take us on as one of their clients, they just don't have the means right now.
And do you think most schools are running into this?
They are.
The Minnesota Athletic Trainers Association says of the middle and high schools they know of, only 49% have an athletic trainer providing some level of service.
Nationally, we're definitely behind the curve, and then within kind of the area and the geographic space that we're at, we're even more kind of behind the curve with that.
Kate Tabor is with the Minnesota Athletic Trainers Association.
An athletic trainer is trained in cardiac emergency response. We're trained in heat illnesses. We're trained in the signs and symptoms and recognition. That's one of our biggest missions, is to make sure that we are keeping our student athletes safe.
But Tabor points out what others echoed. There's a pipeline problem for a number of reasons.
They're running around pretty crazy, and they're working long hours.
I think the pay and the hours sometimes aren't as attractive to folks who are looking to work in the medical field.
I do know there are districts that have postings for the position, right? They're saying, hey, we're willing to fund this. No applicants.
Dr. Maria Ryan is the co-chair of the Sports Medicine Advisory Committee for the Minnesota State High School League.
What they can do from a safety perspective is paramount to our athletes being safe. It's not necessarily there's a shortage of athletic trainers coming out of school. It's that they're working in the clinics or they're working for medical device industry. It's hard. It's nights and weekends. To truly make our high schools optimized, it would be to have an athletic trainer available at every high school.
So you would like to see more athletic trainers in Minnesota?
I would love it, love it, love it. It's such a service.
For parents, I would make sure your high school has an athletic trainer. That by far is the most important thing.
The Corey Stringer Institute is a leader in safety research, education, and advocacy for high school athletics. KSI has worked to put millions of dollars toward putting athletic trainers into underserved communities without the means to pay for them.
Because athletic trainers are the key first line of defense if we're going to prevent tragedies happening in high school sport.
Budget constraints, would you say that's an issue?
Absolutely. In the past, the agreements tend to not charge schools very much for these services, and it's a great partnership. There's not usually a huge dollar amount that's expected from the schools. So for us to go into a different direction and say, look into hiring our own athletic trainers, that would come at a huge cost to the district that we haven't in the past had to account for.
Let's say the MSHSL required every school to have an athletic trainer. Would that be a help or hindrance to an organization like St. Paul Public Schools?
In St. Paul Public Schools, I would say it would be a huge help for us to be required to have athletic trainers.
Having something legislatively dictated is really the best means in which to get something activated.
The debate really is suggestion versus requirement.
Exactly. If you don't have an athletic trainer, are we going to say you can't have a football program?
The athletic trainer services are invaluable to our student athletes and to our families and to our community as a whole.
In St. Paul, with photojournalist Jose Pascual, Aaron Hassanza, WCCO News.
St. Paul Public Schools is currently handling the athletic trainer shortage by hiring independent contractors to cover varsity competitions.